welcome everybody to the Within Japan YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, click on subscribe in the notification tab. If you want to support the channel even more, why not buy me a drink at our PayPal link below. 50 cents or $1, it doesn't really matter. Helps the channel out big time. Or why not become a member for as little as $1. We're at the Gundam base. I had to read that twice. And we're just going to have a little look around at what is going on in here. It is free entry for this. And they say photographs are okay. I don't know about video. They might tell me off for video, but we'll get as much in as we can. Now, normally this gets very busy. You can see the numbers on the floor is where people should stand. Although the COVID stuff has finished, they still check your temperature here and make you sanitize your hands. Not a big problem whatsoever, but just be aware of it. It's a rebuild. Oh, the bits and pieces going on here for the rebuild. I wonder why they're rebuilding. There must be a reason. Now, forgive me if I'm walking too quick. I don't know what of this is of interest to you if you are into this sort of thing. There is a lot to see here, though, so it's worth coming here yourself. It's on Tokyo Bay. And it's free! Like, why is it free? Normally things like this you have to pay big money for to enter. And normally they say no cameras, but for some reason here you can have your camera going on. These must be the, I don't know, the main characters? Is that what they'd be, the main characters? It's like a little fighting arena where we are now, with the 4 in each corner. What they're doing, no idea, got no idea. Now, I do understand that most of this is just a shop to get you to buy the stuff, but it is still set up very, very good. We make our way down very slowly, taking our time. If you want to have a look at these in greater detail, then just pause the video. Oh no, that's good. With the little ropes, it looks like lasers. I'm thinking that's what it is. A gloomy sound. Hey, what do they do? What is this all about? If you follow this sort of stuff, do let us know. Cool little rocket ship going on down there. Obviously they battle one another, but what have they taken over? Have they taken over Earth? Have they taken over some futuristic planet we don't know about? Are they fighting the humans? Are they fighting each other? Are they AI? Like, what are they? Tell me about this. I could Wikipedia it myself and read up on it. But I don't want to. I want to hear from you. Do tell me. It's a lot easier, trust me, if you explain it to me rather than me trying to read up on it and try and figure out how it all goes. We get into the merchandise type of situation going on here with shirts, folders, keyrings and magnets. What's going on over here? These are nice little boxes going on. Shimmery boxes. With some, I guess they're candies or cookies in there. Oh, it's a chocolate gift set. Okay. I think I could walk around here for hours and still not know what I'm looking at. I mean, I get it if you're into this sort of thing. We all have hobbies that this would be of interest to you. But I've got to say, for me, it all looks the same. I mean, he's the same as him, is the same as, they're just different colours. But are they different or are they same? Tell me. Am I selling this to you? If you're not into this sort of thing, am I really selling it to you? Or if you are into this thing, am I really putting you off the channel because I know nothing about it? I reckon I could be putting you off. See, I see this sort of stuff and I think Transformers. Go on, tell me off for that. It's not a Transformer, you fool! I'll buy the pink and black one. That looks pretty cool. Yes. $11 for a keyring, but they feel metal, so yeah, I don't mind spending money on a keyring if it's decent quality. A lot of the keyrings you get a plastic, you know. See, these ones are cooler in the simple basic colours. I can go with that. Obviously you paint them yourself. Interesting. Custom colorization. Lighting unit white. Okay. Okay, that'd be pretty cool. When they're lit up, I think that'd be pretty cool. I could be persuaded to be into them if they were lit up. I'd go for that. You know what I mean? Like I've got something about lights. I love lights. It's the bowling ball of great power, everybody. Is it a bowling ball? I know it's not a bowling ball. I'm not that stupid and unlearned. Do you think I'm that stupid? Don't answer that question. Of course you do. Clear color, spelled incorrectly. Oh my god, why have they got incorrect spelling on the boxes? Because they speak American here, which is incorrect English. Seems a very big box for a very little figurine, doesn't it? Yeah, these fluorescent ones I don't mind. I don't mind the green one there. He's pretty cool. I mean, can we open the box and have a look what's in here? So yeah, they're all the model pieces in there. So you got to stick it all together. I could do these ones. I like these simple colour ones. They're cool. I could have the full set of them and I'd be very happy. But these multicolour ones, they're too busy. Way too busy. Oh, that's a shopping centre that we're at. That's out the front of it. If you never saw that on the other video we did, do check it out. The link is appearing at the top of the screen right now, and then you can see that in real life. It's there. Interesting. What's it called? A Gunpla? Gunpla. Gunpla. See, I don't mind them either when they're big figures like this. Something big is I'm fine with this, okay? It's these little figurines that I think are just... It falls within the toy category then for me, you know? And it's like... So there you go. It was a Gundam factory, outlet, whatever you want to call it. You've been down there? Yes. Interesting, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you enjoyed having a quick look at the Gunman base. If you did, smash that like button, click subscribe, click the notification tab, and share it around with all your friends as well. And when you come to Japan and you're trying to find this place, you're going to need Google Maps. And to have Google Maps, you're going to also need a portable Wi-Fi device or a SIM card. And we highly recommend this company. Hello everybody, welcome to the Lucky Cat Shrine here in Tokyo, Japan. If you are coming to Tokyo or Japan, you're going to need one of two things, either a SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi device. And although we are not sponsored by them, we highly recommend Secure Mobile, and we recommend them because they're a Japanese owned and operated company that provides high-speed, unlimited internet no matter where you go in this amazing country. Now, if you'd like to help a small insignificant YouTuber out, in the description below there's an affiliated link for Secure Mobile. If you click on that link, you will pay no extra, but what you will be doing is you will be supporting this channel by giving us a couple of extra bucks. Secure Mobile, our #1 choice when traveling in Japan. Now that's enough of me, it's time to get back to the video. Now that's cool with the thunder and lightning. Very, very frightening me. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on the Within Japan YouTube channel. Any questions, leave it in the comment box below. Until we meet again, wherever you are in this big, wide, wonderful world, have a good morning, afternoon, evening, or night. We'll see you again soon.
I'm traveling around, taking center stage.